Chapter 4 Introduction to Windows 10.
Hey friends, did you catch the tip that I left in the previous chapter about an operating system? In this lesson, I will tell you more about it.
Operating System. An operating system, OS, is the most important program that runs on a computer. It is designed to run on all types of computer, regardless of the computer hardware. Every operating system has its own specific application software. Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular operating system in the world. It is a graphical user interface GUI-based operating system because we use it to communicate with the computer through graphics or pictures. The Windows OS was launched by a multinational tech company named Microsoft Corporation Inc., which was founded by its chairman, Bill Gates. There are many versions of this OS. For example, Windows 95, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. In this lesson, we will learn about Windows 10. Working with Windows 10. When we switch on a computer, a message starting Windows appears on the screen. A Windows login screen follows this message. When we click on your user ID and enter your password, we see the main screen of Windows called Desktop. Desktop. This is the main screen of an operating system that appears on the monitor when you switch on the computer. It presents the main features of a computer: Start button, taskbar, icons, desktop background. Parts of desktop. The desktop of Windows 10 contains three main parts. Desktop background or wallpaper. The desktop background or wallpaper is a picture that appears on the background of the monitor screen after the booting process completes. It is not same on every computer. It can be changed easily. Follow the steps given below to change the desktop background on your computer. Step 1. Right-click anywhere on the desktop. A pop-up menu will appear. Step 2. Select the Personalize option. The Personalize window will open. Step 3. Click on the Background option. Step 4. Here, select the desired picture for the background by clicking on it. The desktop background on the screen will be changed. Desktop icons. An icon is a small picture that is present on the computer desktop. It may represent a program or file. There are many different icons present on the desktop. Some important icons that you should know about are given below. This PC icon. This icon helps you to give access to all the storage drives on your computer. These drives contain all the data in form of files and folders. The Recycle Bin icon. This icon contains the files and folders that you have deleted from your computer. You can easily restore them, but only if they are not permanently deleted. Performing actions on an icon. Follow the steps below to select an icon. Step 1. Single click on the icon that you want to select. A translucent blue box will appear around the icon, which means it is selected. Selected icon. Follow the steps given below to deselect an icon. Step 1. Single click anywhere away from the icon you want to deselect. The translucent blue box around the icon will disappear, which means the icon is deselected. Deselected icon. To use the icons or to open an application or a file on the desktop, double-click on the desired icon. Taskbar. The taskbar is a horizontal strip which usually stretches across the bottom portion of the desktop. It has many buttons, some on the left and some on the right. It also shows currently running programs. Search box, Start button, Quick Launch bar, Running program, System tray, Show desktop button. Parts of the taskbar. The taskbar is further divided into the following parts. Start button. The Start button gives you access to programs, data, Windows help, and a lot of other useful things. When you single-click on it, the Start menu will open. Search box. The search box allows you to quickly search computer programs from the taskbar. Quick Launch bar. The Quick Launch bar helps you to open a program quickly by single-clicking the left mouse button. System tray. The system tray has some program icons in it, including a clock. Show desktop button. When you click on the Show desktop button, all the open programs and files are minimized to the taskbar and the desktop screen is displayed. Application window. When we double-click on an icon on the desktop, it opens a new window. It is called the application window. For example, on double-clicking the paint icon, it opens up in a new window. Title bar, menu bar, work area, control buttons. Components of application window. Title bar. The title bar is a horizontal bar that appears at the top of the window. Control buttons. The three buttons on the extreme right of a title bar are called control buttons. They perform the following tasks. Minimize button. This button minimizes a window. When you click on this button, the window shrinks down to the taskbar. Maximize button. This button increases the size of the window to its maximum size. When you click on this button, the window increases the size of the whole screen. Restore down button. This button only appears when the window is in the maximized mode. It is used to resize the window to its original small size. Close button. This button is used to close the window. Menu bar. It is just below the title bar. It contains the menu for different tasks such as Organize, Home, and View. Work area. In this area, we find the lists of folders and files or a workspace for doing tasks such as typing and drawing. The calculator program. Calculator is another useful application program. It is used to perform mathematical operations on a computer such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Steps to open the calculator program. Follow the steps given below to open a calculator. Step 1. Click on the Start button. The Start menu will open. Step 2. Scroll down for the programs starting with C. Step 3. Click the calculator program from it. The calculator program will open. Or you can type calculator directly in the search box to open it.